Hello children, this is John with your weekly Parkinson's tip. Actually today our very short but very important message doesn't only include parents or grandparents who might have Parkinson's disease. And the message is this: suppose you found yourself home alone with a parent or grandparent who did have a major illness, and you found it necessary due to an emergency to dial 911 and call the ambulance. You've all been taught to do that, and that's the right thing to do. But what I want to talk to you about is after the ambulance crew arrives, there's a certain amount of information that can be very helpful to the paramedic or the technician that shows up. And for example, if your grandma or grandpa or one of your parents has Parkinson's disease, of course you're going to tell the ambulance crew that, but there are so many other things that can be very helpful to the medical personnel that show up. For instance, let's say your grandpa has Parkinson's disease and you've dialed 911 for a medical emergency and you're not sure what the problem is. The ambulance crew might want to know, for instance, that your grandpa might have had seizures in the past. He might have had a stroke. Perhaps he's had surgery on his heart and continues to have heart issues. All of these things are very important. In addition to medical history, it's very important that the ambulance crew knows each and every medication that your parent or grandparent is presently taking. This is crucial to the proper and quick care. Now, a child and even an adult can't remember all of that, so here's the message. I want you to sit down with your parents after you view this video and explain to them the importance of compiling all of this information, maybe in a folder or on paper in an envelope, and putting this in a place that's accessible to you. When that ambulance crew arrives, it should be in a place that you remember where it's at, that you can go to immediately and present that to the ambulance crew. Remember, as much information and as quickly as possible, getting that information to the ambulance personnel will go a long way in helping your grandmother, grandfather, or either one of your parents if the case applies. So remember, make sure this information is complete, talk it over with your parents, and make sure that's in a spot that's easy for you to remember. You might have them put it on a magnet on the refrigerator or in a desk drawer that you're familiar with, that's unlocked and that you can get to very quickly. Each of these items will go a long way in helping the medical personnel take care of your grandma or grandpa or parent. So, talk about this right away as soon as you watch this video if you haven't already done this. Now, in closing, as I always say, remember, life is not easy for you or the people you love. Be brave, be kind, be understanding, keep your faith, and we'll all be better off for it. Until next week, take care. Bye.